This painting is called Hacienda 1. I actually confess I started painting this painting thinking we were in Italy, in Tuscany, but as I went through, it pretty quickly turned into a scene in Mexico. So we've got this beautiful hot sunset sky and a series of trees in the distance with a big splash of yellow sunflower and lots of Mexican style motifs in here. This is a symbol for a female form. But what this painting for me is about is I was imagining what would it feel like if you were horse riding in the hills and you came back to your hacienda for a dip in the pool and you needed to quickly quench your thirst with a pomegranate margarita while sitting on the veranda. So here's a pomegranate and the pomegranate plant coming through. So all of a sudden you go from feeling really hot to feeling really relaxed.